Hello visitor, this is Vivek Bajaj, co-founder of Kredent Academy. I'm very excited to see you in our website. We have been into financial market training since 2008. We are basically market practitioners and all our training modules are extremely practical oriented. We have been ranked as one of the top finance institutes in multiple forums. All our courses are NSE Academy certified programs. So our philosophy of training people the right way in the right manner and lot of practical orientation is helping people to learn financial market and participate in financial market in the right way. We have career oriented programs, we have programs for investors, we have programs for traders. So whatever is your need, kindly connect with our career advisors in the mobile number given below the website, and we will definitely make sure that your need is fully satisfied and you become part of our family and we become part of your family, and we all grow together in this beautiful opportunity called Financial Markets of India. Thank you.